I usually clean the shaft off in case any metal fragments came off from that, so take my microfiber cloth or compressed air to clean that off. Now I'm going to show you how to remove it. Just take a little pick tool, shove the seal over, and push one side up, and spread the gap on the other side to get it to expand off. Try to work it around. It's probably going to stick in this groove right here. Now we'll move it off this groove. And just expand it. And we got it evenly so we didn't bend the seal. If you bend the seal, you may as well replace it, because if you install a bent seal, then it's going to fuse to the turbine shaft and ruin it, the whole turbo.